Uber is giving bonuses to drivers. We're gonna talk about it today. Please thumbs up the video if you think drivers need more pay and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna get into the new bonus structures that Uber is giving to drivers. And also I wanna thank our sponsor Solo and tell you all about an awesome opportunity to make more money. So Solo, this is an awesome app that's, first of all, when you sign up with our link for free, they're giving you 15 bucks, okay? So it's a no-brainer, do it right now, immediately. But they also have some really awesome features called, one of them is guaranteed pay. Go out and drive, and they're gonna guarantee that you essentially make a dollar amount. It's not available everywhere, but they do have a free version, a free app nationwide you can sign up for right now, and you still get awesome perks. But look at this, 37 bucks for Uber, 38 for DoorDash, 37 for Instacart. And like I said, you can sign up for free anywhere in the country, and yeah, it's awesome. You can take home 5,000 bucks more a year. So this is a bonus that's going on in California right now. Extra money with this promotion, but hurry, offer expires soon. Essentially, it's $100 extra when you complete 5 trips. So all you have to do, if you live in this area, well, at least for me, you gotta complete 5 trips and earn $100. Now, this is going on, it's, you know, they give you about 12 days to do it. And this offer is only valid for drivers who received it directly from Uber's email. So you have to check in your app to see if you earned it. And then we're also looking at some of the newer bonus quests structures that's going on. A lot of drivers are saying that Uber's changing the way that quests are being given, meaning that they're making it more difficult for drivers to earn these quests. And some people are saying it's not even really worth it now. Does Uber drop your quest bonus amount if you skip a week driving? But yeah, according to Roland Bishop, he posted this. He said, you have to sign up now for Boost Quest. You have to basically go into your app, and you can't just drive, you know, the amount of rides and make your money. You have to follow a series of steps. Firstly, you have to sign up before 6 p.m. May 8th. But listen, look at this. You have to show up. You have to go to the areas on the map between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So they give you a 1 hour time slot to be in that area. So if you get a ride outside that area and you're not there to clock in, I mean, this literally sounds like scheduled shifts. You have to show up now to a certain area. Is Uber paying you to drive there? No. You'll earn the promotion for every trip you complete. To earn this promotion, either you or your rider must be in the selected zone when you receive the request, and you must accept the request before send. So they're making it like so picky. Patrick Higgins says, you guys will complain about everything. There's nothing worse than streaks, and this officially kills it by just giving the amount on each ride. Who actually think this is a bad thing? I'm not going to say anything bad about Boost because it's extra money. However, I do want to be real about it. I've been getting these for the past month, and it's been extremely hard to get any of the bonuses. So Kinsey's actually saying that, you know, it's more difficult to actually even get the boosts now. So I want to hear from you guys. What are your boosts right now? $5 for 10 rides, 10 bucks for 10 rides. Comment your bonus structure down below. And again, sign up for Solo with our link below. You can sign up for free, and they're gonna send you $15 when you use our unique link, and you gotta link your gig account. Thank you for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye now.